sleigh. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Frosty the Snowman was half that day, and let's run and we'll have some fun now before I melt away. Down to the village with a broomstick in his hand, running here and there all around, let's swear, saying catch me if you can. He led them down the streets of town, right to the traffic stop, and he only paused a moment when he heard them holler, "Stop! Stop!" Frosty the Snowman had Lucy on his way, and he waved goodbye, saying, "Don't you cry, I'll be back again someday." Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, look at Frosty go. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, over the